The worksheet is a tool used in accounting to prepare financial statements. It helps organize account balances and adjustments before creating the actual financial statements. Columns. Account title and explanation. List the name of accounts in the general ledger. Categorizes them into balance sheet accounts and income statements accounts. 2. Adjusted trial balance. Debit. List the debit balances from the general ledger. Cash 4,909. Accounts received 28,433. Transportation equipment. Sales discount 1,410. Purchases 459,750. Salaries expense. Supply expense 5,990. Advertising expense 9,700. Credit list the credit balances from the general ledger. Accumulated depreciation, transportation, equipment 200,000, 301,090. Account payable 2,180. Aguila Capital, purchase discount 8,560. Debit, list the debit adjustments. Merchandise inventory 5,000. Fuel and oil 8,430. Credit, list the credit adjustments. Prepaid rent 5,000 accumulated. Depreciation, transportation, equipment 1,250. Fuel expense payable 2,180. Depreciation expense 1,250. Adjusted trial balance. Debit. Adjusted debit balances after considering adjustments. Cash 4,909. Accounts receivable 28,433. Merchandise inventory 5,000. Transportation equipment. Sales discount 1,410. Purchases. Salaries expense. Supplies expense. Advertising expense. Rent expense and fuel oil. Credit. Adjusted credit balances after considering adjustments. Accumulated depreciation, transportation, equipment 2,301,190. Account payable 2,180. Aguila Capital, sales, purchase discount, income statement, debit expenses, sales discount, purchases, salaries expense, supplies expense, and advertising expense. Rent expense, depreciation expense, fuel and oil, credit revenues, sales, purchase discount, balance sheet, debit, assets. Cash 4,909. Accounts receivable 2,804. Merchandise inventory, prepaid rent, transportation equipment, credit liabilities and equity accumulated, depreciation, transportation equipment. Account payable, fuel expense payable, Aguila Capital,